Canva ranks among my top 5 indispensable apps because of its constant innovation, updates, and addition of new features. However, it's not just about Canva's internal tools, it's also about the plethora of third-party apps seamlessly integrated into Canva. Canva regularly introduces new apps, so if you don't spot your favorite one here, let us know in the comments. Now let's dive into some of the remarkable third-party apps available in Canva. Don't forget to check the number 8, that is my favorite. App 1. Image Upscaler. Image Upscaler elevates your image resolution using AI, enhancing the clarity and quality of your photos. Upload your image, choose the upscale amount, and let the AI work its magic to improve the resolution. App 2. Easy Reflections. Easy Reflections simplifies the process of adding reflections to your designs, providing realistic reflection effects with just a few clicks. Add depth and dimension to your designs by easily incorporating reflections into your compositions. App 3. Logo Maker. One of the fascinating apps for logo design and creation is Logo Maker. Simply type Logo Maker in the search bar and voila! Click on the Logo Maker option to access a professional tool for crafting brand logos effortlessly. Just describe the logo you want, including colors, shapes, and objects, and watch the magic unfold. Once the logo is created, you can easily remove the background with Canva's Background Remover tool. App 4. Social Bellow. Social Bellow is your content creation companion, offering prompts and AI feedback to help you craft engaging narratives. Select your desired format, tone, and description, and receive instant AI-generated content ready to add to your design. App 6. Type Gradient. Type Gradient is another favorite of mine, offering gradient-filled text options. Search for Type Gradient in the search bar and select it. Then, customize your text with different fonts and adjust spacing as needed. Add the design to your project, and you're all set with stylish gradient text. App 7. Illusionist. Illusionist helps you design stunning images with hidden patterns, adding an extra layer of visual interest to your designs. Describe the scene you want, select a pattern, and let the app generate captivating images with hidden patterns. App 8. Emoji Artist. Emoji Artist allows you to create custom emojis based on your descriptions. Describe the emoji you want and let the app generate a unique emoji for you. It's a fun and easy way to add personalized emojis to your designs. App 9. Animey. Animey transforms your photos into anime-style images, bringing them to life with a unique artistic flair. Upload your photo and let the app generate an anime-style version of it, adding a fun and creative touch to your designs. Outro. These are just a few of the incredible third-party apps available in Canva, each offering unique features to enhance your design workflow. If you haven't tried Canva Pro yet, I highly recommend it for access to even more advanced features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.